Today we're talking about stars. Have you ever been in a place without a lot of artificial light, like street lights and car lights, and had a clear view of a big wide sky at night? There are so many stars that you can see in a big universe, and it can make us feel small and yet still a part of something very big. That sense of wonder and awe is one of the sources of our Unitarian Universalist faith. My friends Virginia and Laura have a book to share with you today that will help you remember that sense of wonder and awe. Enjoy.
We are reading The Stuff of Stars by Marion Dane Bauer, illustrated by Equa Holmes.
The Stuff of Stars.
In the dark, in the deep dark, a speck floated, invisible as thought, weighty as God. There was yet no time, there was yet no space, no up, no down, no edge, no center.
No earth with soaring hawks, scuttling beetles, trees reaching for the sky. There was no sky, no you, no me, only the speck, waiting.
And then the beginning of all beginnings went bang! And in a trillionth of a second, the universe was born. A cloud of gas unfolded, unfurled, zigged, zagged, stretched, collided, expanded, bits bumped, gathered, fused.
And throughout the cosmos, stars caught fire. Trillions of stars, but still no planets to attend those stars. And if no planets, then no oceans, no mountains, no hippopotami, no violets blooming in a shady wood, no crickets singing to the night, no day, no night.
The stars burned and burned. They burned so long and so hot that some of them exploded, flinging stardust everywhere.
And the ashes of those dying stars gathered into planets, and the planets circled other stars. But still, no bluebirds, no butterflies, still no snails, no giraffes, still no you, no me.
The planets closest to their stars stayed very hot. The ones far away grew very cold.
But one lucky planet, a fragile blue ball we call Earth, was neither too far nor too near. It circled its yellow star, the one we call the sun, from just the right distance, and with the just right tilt to be sometimes warm, sometimes cool.
Perfect for turning that starry stuff into mitochondria, jellyfish, spiders, into ferns and sharks, into daisies and galloping horses. Again and again, stardust gave birth to stardust.
Dinosaurs lived and died, making room for humans. Our great-grandparents and all before them lived and died, making room for more and more children.
Then one day, in the dark, in the deep dark, another speck floated, invisible as dreams, special as love.
Waiting, dividing, changing, growing, until at last you burst into
the world. And took a big breath as of the same air once breathed by woolly mammoths.
Can you read that? You cried tears that were once salty seas, your hair once the carbon in a leaf.
You and the velvet moss, the caterpillars, the lions, you and the singing whales, the larks, the frogs. You and me loving you, all of us. The stuff of stars.
Thank you, Virginia and Laura, for sharing the stuff of stars with us. How wonderful to remember that we are all part of the same universe. You are beloved, you are sacred, you are powerful. Go in peace.